Good evening, YouTube. It's Scott, and I'm back. When I last left off, it was about 3 years ago, and I think YouTube has taken the video down. It's been about 3 years, and I was getting ready to go to school. I'd quit driving a truck. I flew from Omaha, Nebraska, back to Florida. And signed up for school. I went back. And I graduated. And went through a couple relationships. And here I am. In a hotel room in South Carolina. Anyways, I am on my way back to New York, which is a really good thing. Yesterday was the last day I will ever drive a truck. Ever again. I am now a licensed airframe and power plant mechanic through the FAA. I have a job. I am going to that job. That is what I'm doing right now. I am on my way back to New York to take a few weeks for myself. I do not start the job until I fly out to Dallas, Texas on the 2nd of January for a month of training in Dallas, and then I return to my base in Chicago. I will be commuting back and forth from Buffalo to Chicago, back and forth every week as a commuter, as an aircraft mechanic. It's been a wild ride since I came off the road as an OTR driver. I worked at a small airport. I worked for a timeshare as a building mechanic, and I worked for a hotel, and then I became a heavy wrecker operator. And now I have and then I worked as an aircraft mechanic for a military contractor in Lakeland, Florida. And doing that job and being a wrecker driver at the same time. Like I said, I'm heading back to New York. Like I said, take a few weeks off for myself, get this haircut. I'm going to shave here in probably another 10 minutes. And I'm excited. I can't wait. This has been a long time coming. This was supposed to happen a year ago, but because of COVID, here we are. So we're just a year late. That's it. It doesn't sound like I'm excited, but I'm in a hotel room and I don't want people, but I'm excited. Trust me. This is a big deal. And who I'm going to work for is a big deal. It's not a military contractor. It is a commercial airline. And I'm really excited. This is one of the places I've always wanted to work for. and I've worked for a commercial airline before, but not this big, not at this level. So I am going to do more videos, maybe do some videos on the way up, but we need to maybe get this channel going again. I think they took all my content down that I had up there. So, all right, we're gonna start an aircraft maintenance themed channel. We're gonna go through tools, books, different, maybe painting, maybe riveting, some structure stuff, maybe even get out where I'm working when I get there, some flying aspects, or some flying videos back and forth. Who knows? I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna bring this stuff that people need to see that isn't on YouTube, and maybe we can make things happen that way. Things that I was looking for, it took me a long time to look for, to find, and I found them, but they're not on YouTube. They're somewhere else, or buried, and I was looking on YouTube hoping I could find something, and I couldn't. So maybe that's what we're going to do. That's how I'm going to label this video. What do aircraft mechanics want to see, or up and coming aircraft mechanics want to see? Toolboxes, tools, what tools you want in your box, what tools you need in your box. And I know the stuff that I used when I was with the military contractor is 99.9% different than what I have in my toolbox in my vehicle right now. So, but that's what we're gonna do. That's what this channel is gonna be about. It's gonna change. It's not gonna be trucking anymore. The trucking's done. I'm done. My keys are hung up, and I just can't do it anymore. All right. We'll talk to y'all later.